All right, today we're going to continue through the design handbook. So I'll share my screen with you. We will be doing the first drafts prototype lesson today. So what you're going to do is open up the document in the design handbook, and you're going to file, make a copy, and be sure that when you copy the link to share with your team, that anyone with the link is changed from viewer to editor. You'll copy your team document into here where it says link to your copy. That way everyone on your team can access it. We will be doing ideate and prototype, meaning you can develop solutions to your challenge or problem based on information from multiple sources of information. And you can explain how your ideas meet users' needs with evidence. First draft prototypes is where you will start to narrow down your ideas and your focus for your work. If you look on the design thinking infinity loop, you are here. So you are creating first cheap test solutions for your problem. Awesome. You should have come up with 15 to 20 solutions from your ideation and brainstorming document, right? I'm going to choose 2 of those solutions. And you're going to share those with your client to get their feedback. It's important to know that this table helps you describe your solutions. It's probably not the solution itself. You have a lot of work to do beyond this. So the first thing you will do is, what's your prototype called? If you're in the 3D printing group, is your prototype a phone stand? If you're in the KC water group, is your prototype a water balloon fight? If you are working for Reach Out and Read, is your prototype a book drive, right? What is your first solution that you're coming up with? Okay, whether it's a physical product, an experience, an event, right? Whatever that may be, an idea. And then you're going to describe it in one sentence, super briefly. If I said my prototype is this pen, okay, a pen, right? A writing utensil that uses ink. Okay. So you describe a pen in one sentence, right? How does it work? How does it meet the need? What's the idea, right? You may need to add photos. You may need to add videos, right? You're going into a little bit more depth explaining how it works, right? This works by moving ink from the top of the pen down, and as you apply pressure, it comes out. It meets the need of those who are writing by providing smooth and clean lines. Just brainstorming here. And what's it going to take to build this prototype? Okay, what else do you need to do? What information do you need to gather? What objects do you need to create? Who is responsible? Who do you need to connect with? If you want to go from this idea in your head to a product in your hand, what do you need to do? Okay, let's look at the exemplar. This is for 3D printing. So the first prototype is a laptop stand, right? Makes a laptop screen more elevated so that they don't have to hunch over while looking at their laptop. It's designed to use little space, fold it and store it easily. You'll print it in Aztec colors and it'll have the word Aztec on it, right? What you're going to need to do to make this laptop stand come to life, you're going to print it. You're going to record how long it takes to print it. You're going to test it with staff and students, and then look at your feedback data, right? Synthesize means to take all your data, look at it in one picture. Okay. Now this is key. Looking back at your research, which you did in the empathize phase, justify in one paragraph how the solution will solve your challenge. So the problem statement you will get from your redefining the challenge document or your project brief. Okay. The problem is that teachers need tools to manage their spaces because it helps them make them more efficient, productive, and comfortable. Right. So we sent out a survey, we got some feedback. That was our research, right? Justify how we'll solve your challenge. This solution was our highest demand product. 55% of staff wanted this product. Okay. That is justification using research. Solves our challenge because it helps staff manage their desktop spaces. Okay. They also make working more comfortable. Teachers will be more productive. Okay. Notice how efficient, productive, and comfortable. Okay. All of those words in our problem statement were used in our justification for the product. Okay. You'll do this 2 times. Prototype 1 and prototype 2. right? Like I said, pictures, explanations, one sentences, and more detail, and then action steps, what's it going to take to get her done, right? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Reach out for help if you need it. Good luck, have fun.